I started in late 2016. I did a gig for a friend, and it was a house party for uni students, about 250 people, and it was actually spectacular. I found that, for me to be able to influence the audience to create such a mad vibe and give them a great night and experience, that they were talking about it afterwards. So I was like, this is for me, and it came natural, not having too much experience at that time, and I was definitely, putting as much effort and time and, dedication and passion into it, and, this is what I want. First night setting up was my first challenge because I've never set up in front of a live crowd before. I had a deadline at 7 o'clock start. My computer didn't start until 7 o'clock. Luckily, made it on time and gave the great night to the crowd. As the night got started, I was a bit nervous about it, but as I started playing the tunes, I started seeing the crowd getting up and moving to it. It kind of let me sit back and relax, and I was able to have the same vibe as the crowd and share that experience with them. And that's essentially what I want to do, to be able to share the experience with the crowd by, not just myself enjoying the night as the crowd.